All right, guys. Anytime you see our TP smash during the CPI or the NFP, just like today, many people will just be sending me DM asking me, why didn't I drop the signal on our free Telegram channel? But the truth is that I'm not a signal provider, and I'm actually all out to make sure everyone who desires to be a forex trader understand the authentic language of the forex market. And I'm here to teach you how to trade the market and how to analyze the market fundamentally. Now, my secret of getting my news right is based on pure knowledge. It's not a try or luck something. I will always tell you this, and I will keep saying it, that forex is not a gamble. Forex is not try or luck. Forex is based on knowledge, and if you're a business oriented person, definitely you must be successful and you must be consistent in profit as a forex trader. Those are the few things that I do every day. Whenever I come to the market, I approach the market, the first thing that I do is to understand the overall trend, beginning from the monthly, the weekly, and the daily. The daily most especially because I'm a day trader and I'm a scalper. Then after then, I also still need to understand the sentiment of the market. That means I need to understand the people in charge of that particular time frame. I need to understand the people that are in charge, either buyers and sellers. Remember, I keep saying this. The only thing happening in the forex, the crypto, and the synthetic market is buying and selling. Another thing all day. So at a particular time, it's either we have more buyers or more sellers, right? So now I will check my sentiment to check if we have more buyers and sellers as at that particular time. And even if we have more buyers, for instance, I will also check to know if the buyers in charge, if the sellers will be taken over from the buyers as soon as possible. That is where a lot of you don't know what to do and you keep missing it. Now, I will also go to my Forex Factory, which many of you already know, or my FS book, to confirm and to check the event for the day. Every day there might be an event that will not impact the market negatively or powerfully, but sometimes we have some high major event that we always look up to. So that's why if you're disciplined to that, you must learn to always come to the calendar to check for those events and their time. Now, once you know that, you need to be documenting every analysis. If you have any event, if you have any news around 1:30 Nigeria time, you need to document your own analysis in line with what the market is doing. For instance, I traded gold today and our TP was masked. You know why? Because we understand the information beginning from the higher time frame. We know what price is doing, and when it comes to the fundamental analysis, we actually dropped the video on our TikTok platform like 4 hours before the news. I made a video, I did my analysis, and we were trading before the news. And exactly what we analyzed, the market first of all pushed up, give us a lot of profit before it smashed that. We take the buy and also smash the sell. This thing is not try your luck, and I'm telling you categorically that you can also know how to analyze this market just like this. And if you want to learn more, you can, but make sure that you already follow me. Click the plus sign button to follow me here on TikTok, and also make sure you comment below once you want me to teach you my next video, and also share this very video right now. And if you want to join the Join Forex Academy, you can definitely send direct message to the number on my WhatsApp, to the WhatsApp number on my bio, my TikTok bio, or send me direct message here on our Instagram verified page, and I will be communicating with you, and I will tell you what to do to be a full member, either physical mentorship or our online mentorship. And based on our physical mentorship, we don't just teach, we trade every day physically with my students, and we make profit time to time. God bless you guys, and see you in my next one. Let's go again.